Aroz Saudi, Saudi rice. A side dish from Saudi Arabia. Serves 4. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Brown meat on all sides. Step 2. Add seasoning to meat and stir. Pour 3 cups boiling water over. Cover and let cook for 1 hour on a medium-high heat, till meat is done. Measure the broth left in a measuring cup. Step 3. Add water to have 3 cups liquid. Stir onions and garlic with half tablespoon hot melted butter, until slightly brown. Step 4. Add the meat and the liquid to the onion mixture. Stir tomato paste over. Let boil before adding the rice and raisins. Step 5. Cover pan and reduce heat to low, putting a thin layer of tin under the pan to prevent the rice from burning. Step 6. Let cook for 30 minutes. Open the pan and stir just the top layer. See if rice is cooked. You may need to cook, covered, a few minutes longer. Step 7. Serve rice and garnish with meat and nuts. Step 8. Serve with plain yogurt and mixed green salad. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.